Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ohio in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is we would need water plus water to create lake, and then add fire right here, and then add another fire into fire to create volcano. And then once you have this, you want to add it into lake to create island. Once you have island, the next thing is to add island right here, and you'd have continent. Once you have continent, add lake right here so that you'd have America. And now I'm gonna go for Earth right here and combine it with America to create USA. Once you have USA, the next thing is you want to go for fire right here, combine it with USA to create flag. And then the next thing is to go for continent right here so that you'd have country. So now once you have country, the next thing is to go for steam. So it would be water plus fire. So you would have steam, and then you would need fire plus steam to create engine. And then once you have that, you want to go with lake right here, combined with engine to create boat. Once you have boat, the next thing is to add America into it to create Columbus. So once you have Columbus, the next thing is to just basically add earth right here, add water to create plant. And then once you have plant, you want to go for steam right here, and then you want to add fire into steam to create engine. And then actually we're just gonna go for fire and wind right here so that you'd have smoke. And then once you have smoke, you want to combine it with plant to create incense. Once you have incense, you want to go for smoke right here, and with incense to create prayer, and then add another prayer to create temple. So now once you have temple, you want to go for earth right here to create church, and then you want to go for country to create state. Once you have state, you want to combine it with Columbus. Now you have Ohio. Now you can just remove country, which is an excess. So this is basically how you do it right here.